Hello there. So welcome back to our channel, and we are going to analyze this circuit. So as you can say that we have used two transistors here. Let's name them as Q1 and Q2. From the direction of the arrow, the current flow is from the collector to the emitter pins of these transistors. And these are the base pins of the transistors. And these are the NPN transistors. The circuit is a differential amplifier. There are two inputs, that is V1 and the V2. And there are two outputs, that is out plus and out minus, which are taken from the two collector terminals. So the combined output can be written here, and the combined differential input can be written here. So VID is the differential input, which is the difference between the two inputs. And the VO will be out plus minus out minus. You also take the magnitude of it. So that's how. And then there'll be a gain of these transistors, which is GM times RC or RL. That is your gain, differential gain AD. And you say that you take a magnitude of it. And RC is your resistance that you collect from collector, and here is your V plus, that is the power supply applied to the circuit. Now you have this tail current source. This is called as tail current source, which is providing bias to the differential amplifier, and there is a common emitter terminal of the two transistor, and from which this current is getting out as shown by the direction. This can be either ground or negative voltage supply, depends on you have dual power supply or single supply rails.